Alright, Witch Hunter here. I'm going to show you some rare animals. Here we have a lion. Now, lions live in a pride. And there's one male in each pride. And normally, another male comes into the pride to challenge the alpha male. And the alpha male normally gets killed, and the outsider eats his babies. As you can see, there are 4 lions ready to fight to the death. Now here we have some tigers. This is what you call a white tiger. It's very rare. You can also get a white lion. And here we have a clouded leopard. It can pull its prey up to a tree. And that's how strong it is. It can attack and just climb up the tree with its prey and eat it. Now, a tiger is the biggest big cat in the world. It is even bigger than the lion. The next biggest would be a lion. Now, I'm going to take a risk and pet this vicious, ferocious beast. It's because this lion has been with me since a cub. Well, that's my nature show. Join me next time, where I might check out some dogs or some horses. From Witch Hunter, this is me saying goodbye.